If your pool skimmer is not working properly, it can totally mess up your pool cleaning game and make your water look nasty real fast. So, first off, always check that skimmer basket and clear out any leaves, bugs, or gunk clogging it up, because that stuff blocks water flow and stops the skimmer from doing its job. Keep the water level right around the middle of the skimmer opening, too high or too low, and the skimmer won't pull surface debris like it should. Next, make sure the pump is running long enough each day, usually about 8 to 12 hours, so everything circulates properly. Don't forget to inspect the skimmer weir, that little flap at the entrance. If it's stuck or missing, you're losing a lot of efficiency. Also, check your pool filter. If it's clogged, water can't move through the system well, which hurts skimmer performance. Clean or backwash the filter regularly, depending on the type, to keep things flowing smoothly. If your skimmer still struggles, look for leaks or cracks in the skimmer housing that might be letting air in and messing with suction. Lastly, consider upgrading your skimmer if it's old or too small for your pool size. Sometimes a new one can make all the difference. One of the biggest common mistakes with pool skimmers is ignoring the water level. If it's off, the skimmer just won't pull in debris properly, so adjust it to the middle of the skimmer opening to fix that. Another issue is not cleaning out the skimmer basket often enough. When it's packed with leaves or dirt, water flow drops big time. Just empty it weekly or more during heavy leaf season. Finally, people often forget to check if the skimmer weir is stuck or broken, and without that flap moving freely, debris escapes back into the pool. Replace or fix the weir to keep things working right. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors super easy for homeowners who want help with pool maintenance or repairs. Plus, contractors get connected with quality clients who really need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone.